In the exercise of the right of the stockholder to inspect and copy the books and records of the corporation, what records and books the stockholder may deem to inspect and copy. Under Article 73 of the Revised Corporation Code, in whatever form the records and books has been saved, the stockholder has the right to inspect and copy the following: the Articles of Incorporation and the bylaws and all the amendments thereto, the current ownership structure and voting rights, including the list of stockholders or members, group structures, intra-group relations, ownership data, and the beneficial ownership, the names and addresses of all the board members and the executive officers, the records of all business transactions of the corporation, the records of the resolution of the board and of the stockholders or members, the copies of the latest reportorial requirements submitted to the Securities and Exchange Commissions, the minutes of all the meetings of the stockholder or members or of the board detailing the following: the time and place of the meeting held, how it was authorized, the notices given, and the agenda thereof, whether the meeting was regular or special, and the object if it is special, those present and absent, every act done or ordered done at the meeting. On demand of a director, trustee, stockholder, or member, the time when any director, trustee, stockholder, or member entered or left the meeting. The yeas and nays on any motion or proposition, and protest of a director, trustee, stockholder, or member on any action or proposed action. It is noteworthy to remember that Section 161 makes it criminally punishable the unjustified failure or refusal by a corporation or by those responsible for keeping and maintaining corporate records to comply with Section 73. The only exception to Section 73 are those covered by special law, like, for example, protected by